Have you ever wondered about the smallest city in the world? Tucked away in the heart of Italy, Vatican City, the world's tiniest city-state, wields a charm that's larger than life. It's not just a city, it's an entire world of its own, rich with history, culture, and some of the most breathtaking architectural wonders. With a population barely over 800 residents, this city-state holds a unique status on the global stage. Stay tuned as we delve into the heart of Vatican City and explore the 10 must-sees. Nestled within the city of Rome, Vatican City is the smallest internationally recognized independent state in the world. A city-state enveloped in the heart of Italy's bustling capital, Vatican City is a unique blend of history and intrigue. Geographically, it's nestled on the Vatican Hill in the western part of Rome, just beyond the river Tiber. Though it spans a mere 44 hectares, Vatican City is an epicenter of cultural and religious significance. Its borders are defined by towering stone walls that have stood for centuries, marking the confines of this ecclesiastical powerhouse. Now, let's talk numbers. Despite its tiny geographical size, Vatican City is home to a population of about 800 people. Yes, you heard that right, 800. This includes both religious officials, like the Pope himself, and lay people who work within the city-state. In this small city, every corner holds a story. Vatican City is not just a city, but the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. The dominant religion here, as can be guessed, is Roman Catholicism. The city is a living, breathing testament to this faith, with every corner echoing centuries of spiritual devotion and religious history. The Pope, the Bishop of Rome, is not only the spiritual leader of the Roman Catholic Church worldwide, but also the sovereign of Vatican City. The Pope's role is crucial. He shapes the city's decisions and directions, influencing everything from policy to architecture. Religion heavily influences the culture of Vatican City. From its awe-inspiring basilicas to the artworks adorning its museums, the city is a showcase of centuries of religious artistry and architectural grandeur. Every brick, every fresco, every statue tells a story of faith. Rich in history, Vatican City is a must-visit for anyone interested in religion and culture. While you're in Vatican City, you might want to brush up on your Latin. Yes, you heard right. Latin, the classical language of the Roman Empire, remains the official language of this unique city-state. Now, when it comes to the currency, the euro is widely accepted. But the Vatican also mints its own coins, a distinct currency that's more of a collector's item than a medium of exchange. Currency and language, another testament to Vatican City's rich history. Despite its small size, Vatican City has a vibrant economy. Its primary sources of income are the sale of postage stamps and tourist mementos, fees for admission to museums, and the sale of publications. The Vatican's flag, a unique symbol of this tiny nation, features two vertical bands of yellow and white, the latter bearing the papal tiara and the crossed keys of St. Peter. This design represents the Pope's religious and temporal powers. Small but mighty, Vatican City stands proud. Did you know Vatican City has its own anthem? Yes, just like any sovereign state, the Vatican City has an anthem, known as the Inno e Marcia Pontificale, or Pontifical Anthem and March. Each note of this anthem, first performed in 1869, resonates with the rich history and religious significance of this tiny city-state. It's a reflection of the Vatican's unique identity, encapsulating its spiritual and cultural essence. Like everything else in Vatican City, its anthem holds deep meaning. Now let's embark on a journey to the 10 must-sees in Vatican City. First on our list is St. Peter's Basilica. With its magnificent dome overlooking the city, this basilica is one of the largest churches in the world. Its interior is a showcase of stunning artistry, including Michelangelo's Pieta and the awe-inspiring altar. Next, we have the Vatican Museums. Housing an extensive collection of art and historical artifacts, these museums are a testament to the cultural richness of the Vatican. Walking through its corridors is like taking a stroll through history and art. Finally, for part one of our journey, we visit the Sistine Chapel. Known for Michelangelo's breathtaking ceiling frescoes, this chapel is a masterpiece of Renaissance art. Its beauty and grandeur leave every visitor in awe. These are just the first 3 stops on our Vatican City tour. Each location has its own charm and story. Stay tuned for the next destinations on our list. The journey continues through the labyrinth of Vatican City's wonders. Our 8th stop is the Vatican Necropolis, a city beneath a city. Here, time stands still, with a labyrinth of tombs and mausoleums that date back to the 1st century AD. Next, we find ourselves at St. Peter's Square, a grandiose plaza designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. It is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, with its colossal Tuscan colonnades and central obelisk. Here, countless pilgrims gather to receive blessings from the Pope. Our 10th marvel is the Apostolic Palace, the official residence of the Pope. This grand structure houses the papal apartments, the Vatican Library, and the Raphael rooms. Its walls whisper with the secrets of centuries, creating an aura of intrigue and reverence. Each of these locations is a testament to Vatican City's rich history and its enduring significance in the world. There's more to discover in this tiny city. As we near the end of our journey, the wonders of Vatican City do not cease. Allow me to whisk you away to the Vatican Necropolis, a mysterious underground city of the dead, where St. Peter himself is said to rest. A stark contrast to the hustle and bustle above ground, this sacred place is a solemn reminder of the city's rich history. Next, we head to the Vatican Gardens, an oasis of calm amidst the city's grandeur. Here, verdant lawns, vibrant flower beds, and whimsical fountains create an enchanting tableau that's a feast for the senses. Our penultimate stop is the Sistine Chapel, a place where art and religion coalesce into one divine masterpiece. Michelangelo's frescoes are nothing short of breathtaking. Finally, we round off our tour at the Apostolic Palace, the Pope's residence. The grandeur of this place is a testament to the city's enduring legacy. Every corner of Vatican City is a treasure. In Vatican City, the smallest city in the world, size does not limit the wonders it holds. From its rich religious culture to its vibrant economy, unique flag and melodious anthem, this city-state speaks volumes in its official language and exclusive currency. The 10 must-sees we've journeyed through are only the tip of the iceberg, each holding a story that resonates with the city's grandeur. Remember to subscribe for more travel adventures around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.